in the bus. It's kind of cold out here today. We're on a little bit of a COVID-19 quarantine. Hot Sauce 2.0 is sick with the COVID, but he seems to be all right so far. This is day 2. So everybody in our house is kind of in a little bit of a lockdown situation. So it's a perfect opportunity to come out here and work on the bus. Well, after a few days of hemming and hawing about possibly not raising the roof because it's going to be such a pain in the ass, we changed our minds and we're decided to go ahead and keep going forward with it. So I'm in here today and I'm trying to remove the windows. I gave up on the air conditioner for now because it's not really going to affect us until it comes to the roof raise part of the deal. And then I might get a professional out here so that he can actually disconnect it and not leak all that coolant line into the coolant whatever into the atmosphere. So yeah, so here we are, we're in the bus and I've taken out 3 of these windows and they come out pretty easy. There's an awful lot of bitchethane or some sort of caulking here that I gotta remove in order to expose these rivets right here, because these rivets go to is the top rivet of this railing right here, and there's also another rivet down underneath here that I will be able to access once I remove this metal kind of sill and actually covers, you know, these channels. I'm sure there's some insulation in here, but we'll see what's back there. So I've successfully gotten all the screws out of that as well. As you can see, it's ready to come off. Yeah, it looks like there's some insulation back there. So it's ready to come off. I'm chiseling away at this. It's cold out, which is actually good because, you know, this stuff comes off a little easier in the cold. You know, I can imagine if it was 90 degrees, this would be a goopy mess. But since it's cold, I'm able to kind of get it off in full sticks, which is nice. So I'm gonna clean up all these windows and I'm just gonna take it, you know, it looks like this panel right here is about 3 windows wide, you know, and it goes down the line the same way. So I'm just gonna kind of take them 3 windows at a time and maybe go to Harbor Freight and get a tarp to cover these openings so that water and the weather doesn't get in here. I was thinking maybe I could use some of the subfloor plywood too and just make I'm not really sure yet, but I'll try to cover them up. So that's where we are. We're back in the bus and I'll keep you posted. Until then, be well and remember, on Whittle Walsh's workshop, we'll whittle you what you want.